So I've got my camping fan here. This was gifted to me so I could go ahead and show you all the features. And it does have quite a few. It does come with a charging cord here because this is cordless. And you would go ahead and charge that here on the back side. It has 2 ports, USB-A. This is to go ahead and use this as a power bank to go ahead and charge any smart devices you need to. And then we also have a Type-C. So that with the Type-C, you can actually charge other items and use your cord here to go ahead and charge this also. It does come with a remote control. Remote control has a little slot that we had it sitting in there. And it's just super easy to use. There's just several buttons right here. I'd say it's pretty intuitive. Now on the top here, we do have a handle here, so it's real easy to go ahead and just move that around. You could also use this to hang it off somewhere. On the bottom side, it has another hook. So that allows you to hang it anywhere you need to also. On the front here, of course, this is all our controls. This one here in the center, that allows you to go ahead and turn it on. As soon as you do, it's going to go ahead and turn on to speed 1. This does have 4 different speeds. And you can see we've got LEDs right there. So as you go ahead and press that button, it's going to go ahead and cycle through all those different speeds. And even at top speed, I mean, it's blowing air quite a bit, which is really good, especially when you're going to be outside. Sometimes you're competing with Mother Nature, and that air feels really good. This also has a night mode. When you press that, what it's going to do is it's just going to turn off all the lights. And then we have a light. This does have 3 different brightness levels. As you press that, of course, it gets really bright. You can see we've got the LEDs. They're going to go ahead and outline the outside edge of this fan itself. And then over here on the right hand side, we have a couple more controls. We've got a timer from anywhere from 1 hour all the way up to 8 hours. And this also oscillates too. We've got 2 LEDs right here. We can oscillate that at 45 degrees or even 90 degrees. And so what's good about that too is that when you have this hanging somewhere, especially when it's upside down, it's going to still go ahead and oscillate and make it like a ceiling fan mounted fan to go ahead and just blow everywhere you need to. And of course, you can adjust the head of this. So not only does it go, you can oscillate the head of it up and down, but now it's going to go side to side. This is not only good for camping, but I like to use this when I'm going out to see my boys play in baseball or soccer, things like that, or even on the pool side. Of course, you can use this in the inside of the house and just put maybe on top of a desk. Looks pretty cool. I like the way that it's built. It does come with remote control. And I hope you found this review helpful.